Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Hope you all are doing good. If your Windows 11 search is slow or taking so much time to show results, in this video, let's fix this. The first method you can try is clear search history cache. For this, you have to right click on this Windows icon, then click on this settings option. On the left side, click on privacy and security. After that, on the right side, you will see this option search. Click on it. And here you will see this option clear device search history. Click on clear. That's it. Cut this window and check. The next method you can try is restart Windows Explorer service. For this you have to press Control key, Shift key, Escape key. Press all the three keys together on your keyboard and this will open Task Manager like this. Now you have to restart this Windows Explorer service. So right click on it, then click on restart. That's it. Cut this window and check. The next method you can try is restart Windows search service. For this you have to press Window key and R button together on your keyboard. So this will open this run command. Now you have to type this command, then click on OK. So this will open Windows services. Now you have to search for a service called Windows Search. So this is a service we need, Windows Search. Right click on it, click on Properties. In this startup type, select Automatic. Okay. After that, click on Stop. So this will stop this service. After that, click on Start. That's it. Click on OK and then cut this window and check. The next method you can try is disable startup apps. For this, you have to right click on this Windows icon, then click on this settings option. After that, on the left side, click on this option apps. Now on the right side, click on this option startup, click on it. So this will show you all the startup applications. Too many startup apps can slow down search results. So disable the unnecessary startup applications. So I will disable the unnecessary startup applications. Okay. After that, cut this window and restart your system. If you are still getting the same issue, move on to the next method you can try. Right click on this Windows icon, then click on this option Terminal Admin, click on it. So this will open Windows PowerShell like this. After that, you have to type this command. So type this command carefully. If nothing works, this will completely reset search. So type this command carefully, then press enter. Now cut this window and check. The final method you can try is update your operating system. So for this, you have to just right click on this Windows icon, then click on this settings option. On the left side, click on Windows Update. So update your operating system. So these are the few methods you can try to fix this issue. This is all for the video. Thank you.